birthday niya 12 May 2017 ya. Ito na. Kan namun.
Johnny Bazaar. Lunch kan idon.
Street food. Isang sa. Kan try ko lang ah. Mami na lang sa sakit ha.
अम्मी कशी ची आला हो मासे
भैया इसका नाम क्या है?
मिल्क केक
हाँ
मिल्क केक
हाँ लम्हा ले अब मिंग हीกันลำเทียวแบบที่เราเนี่ย
अली ला
กันเหลียงทำมันอะไร Đây chú, kulfi.
Chúng ta có đó là
Hello. Nghe. Chấm này rất là birthday boy. Ini Kanabo exhibition. Buat sekarang ini keren ya. Cái lô của em.
mình đã lột miệng
Birthday boy here nghe là street food nice. Yes, tôi con về. À tôi em chúng tôi. À một. Adidas tekan tu ni. Jama masjid kan kalau na.
If I had known then what I know now, I wouldn't have said what I said. I took the long road, thought I'd be better on my own. Sometimes what's right is wrong instead. 'Cause I was too young and I didn't understand that you were the one. And I can't wait to see you again.
Kiss Gymnasiet. Så thật kia nè. Jangan sama masjid tu. Rồi kan lời học buổi đâu thế cả? Đây là sexy.
If I had known then, or what I know now, I wouldn't have said what I said. I took the long road, thought I'd be better on my own. Sometimes I cry.
Ole. Vai hơi nắng lồm đấy. Tú là lồm mình vào răng.
Feeling so weak. I've got a confession. This party's depressing. It looks like you wanna leave. For sure there is a way. I say you, me, dishes, bites, and rollerblades. She says okay, anything to get away. We yell 5-0. Yes, we really have to go. We're gonna get out of here. I'm gonna get us out of here.
Zara. Apa lo mo ma'am?
Mama Duber.
Oh. Birthday boy, you know, favorite. McD.
Sleep till I come